ਖਾਲਿਸਤਾਨ
जिंदाबाद
ਖਾਲਿਸਤਾਨ
जिंदाबाद
ਖਾਲਿਸਤਾਨ
जिंदाबाद
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ
वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।
This is a real pleasure for myself personally, and it's an honor for the entire city of Norwich to be the host of this memorial. And we are very grateful for the friendships that we have with everyone that we now share today and going forward in our Sikh community. The plaque reads, in 1984 Sikh Genocide Memorial, remember and honor Sikhs in 1984 genocide. In memory of the thousands of Sikh men, women, and children who lost their lives and loved ones in 1984 June, the Indian Army carried out a pre-planned attack on Ahmadiyya Sahib, the holiest place of the Sikhs. This was followed in November by a state-sponsored genocidal campaign against Sikhs all across India. May Shada Kala, everlasting optimism, reverberate through us as we stand against hatred, ignorance, and intolerance. Freedom from slavery is achieved only when a person realizes that he would rather prefer death than be enslaved. Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale, Sikhs of Connecticut.
वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।